We'll go to Kuya first. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
You wanna swim again? I thought you don't wanna swim anymore.
I want to swim.
Because there's kids. I wanna check Kuya. Come on. Let's go to Kuya.
But no, I want.
You wanna swim with the kids?
But I want to swim. I want to swim over here.
Oh, I thought we're gonna play with the sand over there. We have to change your clothes then. Let's go. Let's change your clothes.
I want over there.
Okay. Okay, I will just message Daddy.
I want that one.
I wanna smell the ocean. I wanna go to the beach. Can we go to the beach first?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, anak.